Hey guys, it's Mike at Narcoleptic Customs. Episode, I don't know, 28 or 9 or 30, I don't know. Season 2, I don't know. For Project Elsie today, got a lot of stuff done. You can see got the hood put on. That's a big step forward. Rerouted some wires underneath the hood. Got everything dialed in here. That's why I went ahead and mounted the hood, because I won't be working under here very much anymore. Marked off a couple more things on the list. To put this hood on. Woo! That's not gonna heavy. All right, so that's right in the way. So I need to figure out how to mount this. Let's go in there. Okay, let's remove the helper here. Boom. Well, I made a run down to our buddy Matt at O'Reilly's in Centerton to grab some loom. And just wanted to give you guys a tip. The loom in the boxes behind the counter is 31 cents a foot, and you can buy as many feet as you want, or as many feet as they have. So they didn't have anything small enough on the shelf like this, so I could compare pricing. But by my math, that is actually cheaper than what is on the rack outside in the individually boxed areas. So we'll get to wrapping this and snaking it through there. All right guys, I'm having a real hard time with how bad this looks. This just looks really, it's too jumbled. Looks like a huge mess here on the battery. So I don't like that at all. So I dug through the parts pile and found the old connector here that would be on the block. And I'm gonna basically take it and mount it down here like this. So then I can run these auxiliary wires that run everything else. I'll run them back through the fender well here and loop them around and hook it to that. That way I don't have all of this jumble right here. guys, so took this, cut it down a little bit. We'll put it here, and then I'll run this cable from the positive over to here. That way we have power to all of this. Okay, making sure this fits in here, like so. See? I get these little stragglers here. Good. Let's move over to the vise. Sorry for the airplane flying over, but I saw this on a all right, so I saw this one time on on some YouTube channel I was watching, and basically you take a heater of some kind, get the piece hot. I've got some really big solder here. There we go. You get a little pool going in there. Whew. But that's going to be hot as balls. Okay, so we're going to get a pool going here. Get it hot again. Come on. Get us a nice pool of solder going there. Okay. And then we take our piece of wire. Once we get a handle on it, jam it down in there like so, and then let it cool, obviously, and we should have a good connection here. And it works. So I'm gonna take this, see, pull on it. It's good to go. So I'm gonna take and kind of beat this down a little bit too, and add some shrink wrap there so we're good and covered. Oh, I feel like that looks much better. And then I can take these and put them more together till here, you know, so it just looks better that way. I could even route maybe even a larger piece of loom around both of those. Okay. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel to keep up with what's coming. We're getting really, really close on Project Elsie, and you'll really like what's coming in here next. Thanks.